Hello everyone. First of all, welcome to the Guided Mindset, also known as Pharmacist Perspective. Now, for today's video, our goal will be to answer what is high blood pressure. Like, what do people mean? Like when they said, "Please don't give me high blood pressure." Like, is that actually like real? Like, can stress cause high blood pressure, or can someone giving you a difficult time also cause high blood pressure? And actually, no. On the contrary, so what most often causes high blood pressure is often unknown, although it can be linked to stress as well. But according to the definition provided by earth.org, uh, high blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is when your blood pressure, the force of your blood pushing against the walls of your blood vessels, is constantly too high. So if you want to think about high blood pressure, I would like to think of it about the pressure inside the pipe that transfers blood around our body. The pressure is too high, and when the pressure is too high, that means like uh, it's it takes more work and energy for your heart to pump the blood to the various parts of your body. And as we all know, the blood supplies different parts of our body with nutrient and oxygen. So in high blood pressure now, the arteries, which is responsible from taking the blood from the heart to different part of the body, the arteries, there's huge pressure on the arteries. So meaning that it's more difficult for blood to get to the most vital part of your body, such as like the brain, your legs, literally anywhere in your body. So what causes high blood pressure? Well, most often, like I mentioned earlier, the cause of high blood pressure is often unknown, but it can be caused by certain medical conditions, and also like some medications as well can cause high blood pressure. So some medical conditions that can cause high blood pressure could be CKD, coronary kidney disease, also like thyroid disease, and some medications as well, and can cause high blood pressure. And example of these medications could be caffeine, nicotine, decongestant, and also like NSAIDs, like typical ibuprofen. That's why like when doctor give you advice on take this ibuprofen, they are often very careful in giving you which they're often very careful in giving you them, because they know like they also have some side effects that's not only like linked to high blood pressure but also like some stomach problem as well. So and also taking too much salt, obesity, in the excessive alcohol intake can also contribute to high blood pressure. And some things like we don't often like see, or we don't often talk about quite often, is that high blood pressure can also be caused by some things you can't even like really control by yourself. Things such as genetics, ethnicity, and also age. Like high blood pressure is very popular among older adults, typically 50 years and above. And with that, like with asking like what causes high blood pressure, like what really happens when you have high blood pressure. So if your blood can't circulate your body freely without any pressure, your heart will have to pump even harder. Like I mentioned earlier, high blood pressure often result to like difficulty of blood moving to various compartments of your body. So like when this happens, that means like your heart have to like work twice as hard as it should, and this can easily cause like wear and tear to the heart, meaning like the heart lose function over time. It can also cause some tissue damages. The arteries can become damaged because of it's been under constant pressure. And high blood pressure as well can result to stroke, which is basically like reduced blood supply to different parts, to a specific part of the body. And it can cause vision loss, or it can cause heart failure and heart attack. And also it can lead to like sexual dysfunction. It can lead to like kidney disease and or kidney failures as well. So for this video, like that's what high blood pressure is. Basically, like there's a very high force against your arteries, against your blood vessels, meaning that they have to work even harder for you to for you to get blood to like various parts of your body. So that's what we covered in this video. So in the subsequent videos now, we're going to talk about more about like the symptoms of high blood pressure, how to get diagnosed with how to treat high blood pressure, like what medication, like what pharmacological medication is good or like are often used to treat high blood pressure. And also like what non-pharmacological medication can be used to treat high blood pressure. Because trust me, like there are some things that like you don't have to use like pharmaceutical products every single time you have an illness. You can literally use some herbs and teas and other stuffs can also like do the same effect as a pharmacological drug. So like if you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and also like subscribe. We really appreciate your support, as you all know, like this is a new and growing channel. And if you have any questions, please feel free to like leave a comment in the comment box below. Thank you.